Look at that sexy man. Look at those hair. Yeah, I like it like that. I like your hair. Your hair looks so fluffy and nice.
First 2 days, it's all right. Then it's
Yeah. I'm here with Raven and Kat and Reg.
Finally!
Hi. Hi. Hey guys, so we are not going to Indonesia. It didn't work out with our agent, so we're gonna wait until April and then go to Fiji, and then from Fiji we will work our way to the other islands that are open and then go to Indonesia. So that's the plan. We're really sad about it, but we moved on, and we're just gonna do all the islands that we haven't done here in French Polynesia, and then
hopefully next year.
yeah, so hopefully next year we can go to India. And I think, you know, honestly, when we think about it, it's better that we didn't leave, because we can do all the islands that we haven't been to yet, and then we can go to Fiji, and then we can go to maybe some place is gonna be open and we can go to those places. So yeah, so that's the plan.
Put on your mask.
We're off to town. Now you're trying to kiss me when I have my mask on. It's me and Reg strolling. Reg is protecting himself, and Shanique is not so protecting herself. Not good. My Reggie Veggie. Huh?
If you're not looking, where you going?
No. So Reg is gonna look for some sandals, and I'm gonna go and see if I can get some. Oh yeah, let's look in there. Some beads, because I want to make some like Rasta color beads. So we want to get some. We'll see. So we're gonna go over here. We're just trying shoes. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Hey, baby. Hello, everybody. Today we are sailing back to Raiatea. For the people that don't know that we came from Raiatea to here, we did. Now we're heading back to Raiatea. Yes, we are. I know things change a lot regarding travel, what we're gonna do, but this is what it is. This is sailing, especially during current COVID time. Plans change, so we are sailing back to Raiatea today, and we're gonna spend some time in Raiatea, hopefully go to Bora Bora and see some other places that we haven't seen. That's what we're gonna do. That's what's up. So guys, before I go anywhere, the first thing I do is take my seasickness pill. I'll be taking 2 of this pill, and it will help me not to feel seasick. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now. This is my 2 pill. Not every pill, seasickness pill, work for everyone. I think you have to find a seasickness pill that works for you, and this pill works for me. and the other one that works is Bonin, and that's an American brand. This one is a French brand, and it worked for me as well. It's called No Timin. This one, so if you're in a French country, this is kind of similar to Bonin. Reg is gonna take some. He don't usually take sickness. Yeah, he don't really take seasickness pill that much. Yeah, you want some water?
First time ever.
Yeah, it's true, right?
I'm gonna give it a try.
You don't really take seasickness pill that much, but because we haven't really moved for a while, he just say, okay, I don't really want to get sick, so I'm gonna take one of your seasickness pills. So that's what he's doing. So yeah, I'm gonna test it out to see if it worked for me. Not because it worked for me, it will work for Reg. You know, everyone, different things work for different people. So you, not because you take seasickness pill once and it doesn't work, that doesn't mean that seasickness pill don't work for you. You have to find the one that works for you. That's what it is. So yeah. And some people don't even take pill. Some people use the handband and different things. So look and see what worked for you. So guys, let's go. Might rain. Putting up the anchor chain. It's not the best weather, but we're going.
What?
I'm saying it's not the best weather, but we're going.
Getting shit, huh?
Yeah, the chain is not nice right now.
Good fat feet.
Look at that ray in the water. Guys, I did went down. That's why my hair is wet. I went down hoping that I could untangle it, but I didn't go with dive gears, so I couldn't. So Reg put on the dive gear and he is doing it. It's always some kind of entanglement with our anchor every time we're here in Tahiti, because the place that we anchor is full of corals and all that, so it's not very fun when we're ready to leave. So, what did you find out?
It's as bad as you said.
Right?
Okay. Tell you what I did. I wrapped the chain. I put a knot. I wrapped it around the tube. So what you're going to try to do now is move forward with the boat. And what I'm trying to do is lift the tube.
Okay.
Okay? So try to go forward.
Uh-huh.
And I'll stay on the side and see what happens, okay?
Okay.
So, but I have to be on this side. So move forward, and it doesn't really matter. As long as you go forward, it won't matter where.
Okay.
You need to go maybe a little bit on this
That
side.
way. Okay, then come out the way.
Yeah.
Okay. So Reg want me to move the boat forward, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. It's not good. Lift the chain. Tell me when to stop. Stop. Continue?
Yeah. Just a sec.
Okay. It's going back down. Let's see what else we can do. So guys, we were able to take the anchor up. As you can see, we're moving. Now we're gonna head to Raiatea. That's our next stop. When you see us, we will be in Raiatea. 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 So guys, thank you for watching. The next time you'll see us, we will be in Raiatea doing, I don't know, we'll see. We're hoping that we have some good wind and we can enjoy some kite surfing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. If you like the video, go ahead and click the like button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.